Alright, I'm back with another video. Left off at Adam's cool shit, you know, like, yeah. The Smoky File, alright. This is my production. Alright, this would be a traction motor layout, dynamic braking, wheel slip relay kind of shit. Wheel slip relay, WSSR, traction motor, and then like that. And then these are also wiring diagrams for the wheel slip relay dynamic braking efforts like these. So I ran them the whole length of the car, you know, whether it be 3 to 4 trucks, right? So this is my baby. Notice it was actually, let's go back to the drawing board. That baby is a front view with a slight angle onto it of this front blueprint layout of the head face of this. Alright, so you got your dynamic braking. We'll just leave that here. Whether you want a freight look or a continental look, we'll see. The oil filter was something I pulled out of there just to fill in something. So we'll just replace that. Put that over here, which I'm making copies of this, running the copy full oil filter. And if we stack it double, we might stack it right, you know. So here's the scanner. Listen to AFI, the conductor. Alright. And if you mirrored this, you might have the back end of the freight. We're going to show you double-ended freight. So let's start with here. Ground. And then that will, like I said, we're doing blue book. I put the electrical book away just so I have room to take unpeel this masterpiece. Hot rolled steel. Let's go over this. We got chuck, oil filter. We're gonna show shit in array like whip lines, like, you know, like now what do we have? We have a brake like overlapping, you know, and then like folding papers, like, so you know what I mean now. Okay, so just like set that aside. Here was that big KB3 that we were showing, which was, this is the KB3, which is a UK brake system. But like I said, the bulldozer used to have a chain door lock where you'd open the door and it would open up the thing. So here's your triple K3 right here, right there. Side view of it, like, yeah. I was thinking, what about a 4-way electrical connector like those buckles that you see in your backpacks and shit? This one shows heights and diameters, like kind of what we're looking to measure the height, you know, as it says is, but this one's on platform, but you'd have railroad bridges, clearances and shit like that, like, and it tells you, like, your standard gauge is on the bottom. See those 2 rails? Yeah. 4-way connector, or clip, half a governor. I've been working on governors for the X-type motor over here. This X-type motor, special design, mine, working on it. Governor gonna be placed on it. That was that old oil filter, but with a bin, piston, valve covers, other engines, artwork, like half a gyro cup, This is where I got Gideon the Professor. If you look hard enough, you'll see a mouse. Like, we fold up drawings, and that's kind of how we're going to show you this. This is cinematography with using other graphics and some of my own. There'd be the double-headed governor, piston side view, machine head, gyro for air brake. That one's close to the AB cylinder. Let's just take that one out, and we'll leave all the real drawings I've traced or backwards. I came up with this weird piston arm for like a weird, you know, like drawing. We'll just keep these up there. Let's see. Let's keep this in mind. And then these are some other drawings that got stuck in the middle. So this is the red folder. We're just gonna put this on the side after we're done looking at the next side. This was the chuck that I designed. And then I think I got Xerox copies of these shits, like that I made copies of, so we can use them to place on our mat. So those up there for now. Alright, I think I might mirror this page just for a better look. Like once I said, this baby is all this baby. There's the locomotive. See the truck there, and the smiley face. That's gonna be my trademark. He rules this. This is called the time machine, kind of like Star Wars. It'll go up and down, chasing. Yeah, this is a little playroom. So hopefully we finish this motor. That's what the whole locomotive is going to be designed on, and we're probably doing this just for fun. Like actually, gonna rebuild this. Shouldn't stack any more papers, and that's a cut. There's going to be a ton of these videos.